This video demonstrates how, with Simplergov, the data is the user interface. Here's a simple data set, rows and columns of data with column headings in the first row. This data shows Major League Baseball salaries for 1994 and 2005. Now typically, if I want to work with a data set like this, I have to use some kind of database application, proprietary software, or I might just open it up in a spreadsheet program. And the data itself is static. When I click on it, nothing happens. If I want to sort or filter or aggregate it in some way, I have to use the interface provided by whatever application I'm using. With Simplergov, we take that same data set, upload it to the web, and let you access it through a web-based interface that's built on XML templates. And with Simplergov, the data itself becomes the user interface. For example, if I want to filter down to just the Phillies, I click once on the Phillies. If I want to filter down to just the Philly pitchers, I click once on pitchers. And so on. To change any of my filter selections, I can either delete the filter and then click on a different choice, or just type the name I want in the filter selection box and hit enter. With some columns, I can sort just by clicking on the column heading. And with other columns, when I click the column heading, I get an aggregate. For example, when I click on team, I get the total salaries for each team, for 2005 in this case. And once I have those totals, I can just click once to drill down to the detail underlying the total. With Simplergov, this one-click functionality is completely customizable by editing the underlying XML template. And if you want to do more advanced queries, there's a screen for that too. Clicking on data that hyperlinks to something else is called linked data. And linked data can always be customized to link to any outside web-based data set or other information. With linked data, data no longer has to be centralized. If it's on the web, if it has a URL, it can be linked. With Simplergov, the data is the user interface. Thanks for watching.